I think we got similar taste.
I guess we do.
Moving on, what's the better time to something better?
Hi,
Hi.
could I sit here?
Yeah, of course. I guess Paris keeps bringing us together.
I guess.
Some pairs are meant to be. Serendipity by Uppercase.